Hey guys, this is Beebom from Beebom.com, and when it comes to premium work laptops, the whole segment is filled with 13-inch, 14-inch, 15-inch laptops. But I know for a fact that a lot of people are looking for a work laptop with a bigger screen. And that's where this comes in. This is the LG Gram 16, and this is a laptop that's looking to shake things up when it comes to work laptops because this brings a 16-inch screen in a really portable and sleek design. So is this like the ultimate laptop for people looking for work laptops with a bigger screen? Let's find out. So starting off, I'm going to divide this video into three segments: the design and build, the big display, and the performance, because these are the big highlights of the LG Gram 16. So first up, the design. This is how the LG Gram 16 looks with its matte black lacquered magnesium alloy finish. And one thing has been clear to me from the start: this is a high quality premium laptop. I mean, this is a no-nonsense, very clean design, and I love that it does not look like another MacBook-inspired laptop. This is a really classy-looking laptop, if you ask me. Plus, the whole build quality here seems pretty durable. This laptop is MIL STD10G certified, which means it has passed a number of these stress tests, and that means it should be more sturdy than your usual laptop. Now, apart from the certification, the hinge is pretty sturdy, as you can see, and the display does not wobble. There are no gaps or sharp edges on the Gram 16 when I'm holding it in my hand. The weight distribution of the device is also pretty great, and you can open the lid with one hand like this. So yeah, it's good. Now overall, the device does seem sturdy, but I did notice a little bit of flex on the edge of the display, as well as the palm rest, and a little bit on the keyboard. Now the big USP of this laptop is that this is a 16-inch laptop that's only 16.8 millimeters thick, and it only weighs 1.19 kgs, which is really impressive. I mean, I remember picking the laptop for the first time and being surprised at how lightweight this is. Now, this is actually a big USP because this is easy to move around and super easy to carry while traveling. In fact, to give an idea, the box it comes in weighs more than the actual device. Now, the weight apart, let's talk about that big display. This is a 16:10 16-inch IPS LCD panel running at WQXGA plus resolution at 60 Hz, and it has super color accuracy with a typical 99% DCI-P3 coverage. Now, LG is known for high-end TVs and gaming monitors with great displays, and they don't really disappoint here. This display is a joy to use. It's a sharp display with very good viewing angles and contrast, and like I said, the colors look great. I mean, watching anything on this display is just a great experience, and this bigger screen is also great if you want to multitask a lot or you want to do things like photo editing. Now, there is one thing: the brightness could have been better, especially because this is a reflective screen. Anyway, I also like that there are slim bezels all around, even on the bottom, where mostly manufacturers use a thick bezel for their logo and whatnot. Now, if you're wondering about the webcam, the 720p camera is right here, and I feel it's clear enough in good lighting and okayish in not so good lighting. Here's a video from the webcam. Hey guys, this is a video from the 720p camera of the LG Gram, and right now there's no artificial lighting on here. It's all natural lighting. So let us know your thoughts on the camera's quality in the comments down below, as well as the mic quality. Yeah, comment down below. So the LG Gram does live up to its promise of bringing a big, nice display with a lightweight design. But let's talk about the performance now, because let's face it, the performance is what makes or breaks a laptop. Here are the specs. The LG Gram packs an 11th Gen Intel Core i7-1165G7 chipset. It is a 4-core, 8-thread CPU with a base clock of 2.80 GHz and a boost of up to 4.70 GHz. Now for the GPU, there's the Intel Iris Xe graphics. It also packs in 16GB dual-channel 4266 MHz LPDDR4X memory, which is soldered. And there's a 512GB of NVMe SSD with an additional SSD slot in case you want to expand things. Anyway, the combination of the 11th Gen i7 and 16GB of RAM makes day-to-day usage of this device very smooth and without any hiccups. Word processing, browsing, or even photo editing on Photoshop is no issue for this device. Now, I know it's a bigger screen, so there's obviously a question of gaming. Now, to be clear, this is not a gaming laptop, but esports titles like Valorant, CSGO, and Dota 2 can be played. CSGO at low settings with native resolution ran at an average of 66 FPS, which is decent. Anyway, to give you guys a better idea on the performance of this laptop, we ran a number of benchmarks on this. Now, here are all the benchmark scores one by one, and I noticed that the scores here are mostly good and in line with what you get in competing laptops in this price range. I also checked the thermals while running these benchmarks, and I did notice that the LG Gram 16 did throttle a little bit, especially during the Cinebench R20 and Budget Bench Premium Pro benchmarks. See, the LG Gram has one fan and one heat pipe to cool things down, and I did notice this whole function keys area of the keyboard get a little hot. Moving on, the battery life is also an important factor when it comes to work laptops. Now, I personally was worried about the LG Gram 16 because this looks like a very slim and lightweight laptop, so I was expecting a smaller battery, but that's not the case. So the laptop has an 80 watt hour battery, which is fairly big, and it's rated to last up to 18.5 hours. Now, in my testing, I mostly got around 9 to 10 hours out of it, so it's not 18 hours, but it's still pretty impressive. And when it comes to charging, I like that LG has bundled the USB-C charger in the box, and that takes around 2 hours 15 minutes to fully charge the laptop. And if we talk about the other aspects of the LG Gram 16, the port selection on this laptop is superb. Now, on the left, it has an HDMI port, two Thunderbolt 4 USB ports with PD support and headphone mic combo. On the right, you get the micro SD slot, two USB-A ports, and a Kensington lock slot. Plus, it comes with this RJ45 to USB-C adapter in the box. And on the connectivity front, there's Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.1, and the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth performance is good enough. As for the speakers, the laptop comes with two 2-watt speakers, and as you can see, they are bottom firing. And that means the sound does seem a bit distant sounding, but as for the quality goes, I think it's kind of decentish. Now, there's also DTS X Ultra support, and there's an app to customize the audio experience on external speakers and headphones. And there are a number of different modes with modes aimed at gaming too. The keyboard is a full-sized backlit chiclet keyboard with two brightness levels, and the typing experience on this keyboard is pretty good. The key travel feels good and very responsive, and when the whole layout took me some time getting used to, I did get the hang of it. The trackpad is a 16:10 trackpad to match the screen aspect ratio, and yeah, as you can see, this is a seriously big trackpad. Anyway, this is a Windows Precision trackpad, and it's very responsive, and the large size of it makes it great for gestures. Now, the placement is such that I did have a few accidental touches, but that's not a big deal. The buttons at the bottom too are very nice and premium sounding, so yeah, pretty good. Now, apart from all this, there are 2 points to note. First up, LG has promised to bring the Windows 11 update for the LG Gram laptops very soon. In fact, the newer units of the LG Gram come with Windows 11 pre-installed. Now, the other point is that LG is offering 3 years of warranty on these LG Gram laptops, which is pretty good. So I think I've covered pretty much everything there is to know about the LG Gram laptop. Now, coming to the pricing, the LG Gram 16 is available on Amazon for ₹92,990, and there are 14-inch versions as well as 17-inch versions of this laptop available, so there are options. Now, if you ask me my opinion on the LG Gram 16, I'd say it's overall pretty positive. See, I've only used this laptop for a couple of days, but I love this minimal design, the big screen plus portability combo. The performance is good, the battery life is excellent, and it brings a very responsive trackpad and keyboard. Yes, there are a few quirks here and there. The thermals and speakers could have been better, but like I said, my overall view of this laptop is fairly positive. Anyway, those were sort of my initial impressions of the LG Gram 16, but I want to know what you guys think of this laptop, so comment down below. Also give this video a like, make sure to share it, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. That's me signing off. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.